When used as a gymnasium, steel frame structures offer more than just an attractive, durable total building system. Compared to traditional wood-framed alternatives, steel-framed gyms allow for more use of interior space, easier heating and cooling, lower costs of total ownership, and lower ongoing maintenance. General Steel provides steel building kits that contain everything you need to enclose your new gym. Nothing is left out. Every nut, fastener, beam, and washer is included. All you need to provide are the anchor bolts and a solid foundation. The kit arrives on-site in shipments that are easy to unload, with just a 2-person team and a forklift. Our all-in-one steel gym buildings are fast to build, especially when you use one of our pre-screened qualified contractors. We can also help by connecting you with local resources for plumbing, electrical, and more. Choose from a variety of sizes of premium steel gym building kits, with custom floor plans designed for exactly how you intend to use your new gym. Our 80-foot by 100-foot size is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized gyms. With 8,000 square feet of interior space and support-free interior spans running as long as 300 feet, you'll have room for bigger, more advanced training equipment. For a bit more room to play, train, and stretch, our 100-foot by 100-foot gym is an outstanding option. This size grants for more room for larger events, practice sessions, and more. The next size up is our 100-foot by 200-foot gym. An impressive 20,000 square feet of interior space can be planned to include locker rooms, coaching offices, meeting rooms, dedicated storage areas, and more. For even more space, the 200-foot by 400-foot steel frame gym is highly popular. This size allows for multiple playing fields, enclosed courts, weight rooms, and additional spectator seating. Every steel frame gym from General Steel can be customized with just the right windows, doors, framed openings, skylights, insulation, and much, much more. Many of these additions can be field located, meaning you can wait until the framing is up before you decide where to have them installed. An additional benefit of purchasing a steel gym from General Steel is complimentary access to a dedicated project manager who will keep you updated on the progress of your order starting on day one. You'll always know exactly what the status is, and if you have any questions, you'll know who to call for fast answers. At General Steel, our mission is the total success of your steel building project, from start to finish. When you're ready for your free, no obligation quote for the perfect steel gym building to suit your needs, we'll be here to help.